Have you ever wondered how businesses decide where to spend their marketing dollars? What if I told you that planning your marketing budget is like crafting a treasure map? Each step you take leads you closer to your goal. And today, we're going to uncover the secrets to creating a successful marketing budget, perfect for newbies. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tips to boost your marketing game. First things first, why is a marketing budget essential? Think of it as your financial compass. It helps you navigate through the vast ocean of marketing options and ensures you don't overspend or get lost in the process. Now, let's break down the 6 easy steps to create your marketing budget. First, define your goals. Start by asking yourself, what do I want to achieve? Whether it's increasing sales by 20% or boosting brand awareness, having clear goals will guide your budget decisions. Be specific and measurable, so you can track your progress along the way. Next, understand your audience. Who are you trying to reach? Conduct market research to identify your target audience's needs and preferences. This will help you choose the most effective marketing channels and create content that resonates with them. Third, choose your marketing channels. Decide where to spend your money. Will you invest in social media, email marketing, or perhaps content creation? Each channel has its costs, so choose wisely. Consider factors like your target audience, industry trends, and your overall marketing strategy. Now, it's time to crunch some numbers. Research the average costs associated with your chosen channels and strategies. Don't forget to factor in hidden expenses like staff salaries, outsourcing services, and any necessary tools or software. Once your budget is set, keep an eye on your expenses. Use tools or spreadsheets to monitor your spending and make adjustments as needed. Regularly review your campaign's performance and ROI to ensure you're getting the most bang for your buck. Marketing is dynamic. Regularly review your budget and adapt it based on what's working and what's not. Be open to testing new strategies and channels, but always keep an eye on your bottom line. Did you know that different countries approach their marketing budgets in unique ways? Let's take a quick look at the global perspectives on marketing budgets. In the United States, typically, businesses allocate 6 to 10% of their overall revenue to marketing. A significant portion goes to digital advertising, with a focus on platforms like Google Ads and social media. UK companies often spend around 10% of their revenue, with a focus on social media and content marketing. Many businesses also invest in search engine optimization, SEO, to improve their online visibility. In Germany, businesses are more conservative, usually spending about 5 to 8% of their revenue, often prioritizing traditional media like print ads and direct mail. However, there is a growing trend towards digital marketing, particularly in the e-commerce sector. In Pakistan, marketing budgets are evolving rapidly, with businesses spending around 5 to 10% of their revenue on marketing. The digital advertising market is projected to reach approximately $201.8 million by 2024. Indian companies are rapidly increasing their digital marketing budgets, often spending up to 15% of their revenue on online campaigns. Social media, influencer marketing, and mobile advertising are particularly popular in this fast-growing market. Australian businesses typically allocate about 10% of their revenue to marketing. With a strong emphasis on digital channels, many companies are investing heavily in social media and content marketing to connect with their audiences. In Japan, businesses are more conservative, spending around 5 to 7% of their revenue on marketing. Traditional media still holds a significant share, but there's a noticeable shift towards digital platforms, particularly mobile advertising, as internet usage continues to rise. There you have it. By following these steps and considering global best practices, you can create a marketing budget that aligns with your goals and adapts to different market conditions worldwide. Remember, a well-planned budget is your key to unlocking marketing success.